Huzur is going to ask a question about verse 192 of Surah Al-Baqarah, which is as follows. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Waqtuluhum haythu saqiftumuhum wa akhrijuhum min haythu akhrajukum wal fitnatu ashaddu min al-qatl wa la tuqatiluhum inda al-masjid al-haram hatta yuqatilukum fi fa in qataluukum faqtuluhum kazalika jazaa'ul kafirin. The translation is, and kill them wherever you meet them, and drive them out from where they have driven you out. For persecution is worse than killing. And fight them not in and near the sacred mosque until they fight you therein. But if they fight you, then fight them. Such is the requital for the disbelievers.
Isn't this meant by fitna and how it is worse than killing?
Fitna to ashaddu min al-qatl.
Yes.
You see, the qatl that was subjected against them, the murder and the sword which was raised against, it was done only to turn them back to their old religion. So fitna means a trial, and in this context, this fitna means get murdered but don't turn back. Al-fitnatu ashaddu min al-qatl. You understand the point? I'll explain. Ashaddu means in the sense of gravity. So their trial, let them try, let them do whatever. It is graver than murder itself. So if you are murdered in the name of Allah and they put you to this trial, then go on, continue to do this. Al-fitna is also means roasting on fire. So even if they roast you on fire, you must not renegade. You must not go back to your old religion of idolatry.